A few months ago, this was nothing but two open fields. Now, it's a fully built student housing community for Catholic University, designed and delivered using fast, efficient modular construction. The project added over 25,000 square feet of housing. It includes 19 apartment-style units and 2 traditional dorm buildings, creating 124 new places for students to live. Each unit was built off-site, delivered in sections, and assembled on campus with minimal disruption to daily operations. From the outside, these accommodations look more like modern beach houses or Airbnbs, with vinyl siding, vinyl windows, gable roofs, and full front porches made with Trex decking and white vinyl railings. ADA accessible ramps and steps ensure everyone can feel welcome. Inside, the spaces are bright, clean, and practical. They feature luxury vinyl plank flooring, full bathrooms and unit washers and dryers, and open layouts that feel modern and comfortable. But what really stands out is the sense of community. Large front porches and shared outdoor areas give students a place to relax, connect, and feel at home right here on campus. This project proves modular housing can be fast, functional, and the right solution for modern student living. This project is just another example of why Modular Genius is the top choice for modular student housing.